Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making bath bombs. We're just measuring out 500 grams of bicarbonate of soda. This can get really lumpy, so make sure you get those lumps out. You want to see me measure all of this, so there we go. To this we are going to add 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar, half a tablespoon of kaolin clay, now I want these bath bombs blue, so we're just adding some blue dye. Now we are adding in a tablespoon of polisorbate 80. To this we are adding a tablespoon of sweet almond oil. And half a tablespoon of jojoba oil. Now we're adding in another half a teaspoon of polisorbate 80. And here we're adding our fragrance. This is a 1/4 cup of fragrance. Choose any fragrance you prefer. Now we're adding in some witch hazel. Probably a 1/4 cup. Add that to a mixer. We're going to mix this until it's well combined. Scrape around the edges. I'm adding in some more blue dye because I want my bath bombs more of a deeper blue. Once this is well mixed, we're going to take it off the mixer. I think my mixture is a little bit dry, so I'm just adding another almost tablespoon of witch hazel to it. You want to have the consistency like wet sand. We are now adding in 200 grams of citric acid. You want to make sure all your wet ingredients have gone in before you add your citric acid, because once citric acid is in any liquid that you add, the mixture will start to activate. If you can add any more liquid in, make it witch hazel after the citric acid. This is where I messed up a little bit. I should put this back on the mixer to mix for another 5 to 10 minutes, but I used a spoon. So, I mean, the bath bombs worked out well, but they're a little bit speckled. Now, in order to make your bath bombs, you want to take your bath bomb molds and you want to heap them and then push tightly together. And I'll give them a couple of taps on the top and a couple of taps on the bottom and squeeze them tightly. And twist, pull them off. And you want to leave these for around 24 hours to dry before use. I think I got 3 or 4 bath bombs out of this mixture. As you can see, once the bath bombs were dry, I just added them into a clear plastic bag and put gift tags on them. Let me know if you give these a try.